Okay, guys, there's a lot of hype around using the AI in with the ChatGPT. So I just wanted to show you how to use this with your code. So you can use it with Python programming and other languages, but Python's pretty simple to use. So I'll show you a quick example of how you get set up plugging into the ChatGPT to be used with Python. So basically, so that on the screen, you want to type in the ChatGPT. So if you go to their website, it'll look something like this. So this is like their OpenAI website. Then if you've used it already, you can log in or you can sign up. So you follow that step. And then what you want to do, it'll take you to something that looks like this. So ChatGPT is basically the interface where you can have a little conversation, which is probably what most people have seen. But you can use this API. Okay, so API is Application Programmer Interface, and basically an API allows the programmers to plug into the code that from OpenAI or any other website that's using an API. So the OpenAI API. So you click on this screen, and then it'll basically take you over to this screen. So if you want to use the OpenAI platform, they give you some examples, and you can it's very easy. You know, it's a good layout that they've got there. Then if you go up to this, I'm not going to click it because it's got my personal details on. But if you click on the personal tab in the top right, it'll bring down lots of different options. And the one that you want to go onto is this API key. So API keys will pop up. Again, I'm not going to show you this because it's private information, but you can generate an API key. So once you've generated an API key, you can use that in your Python code. And basically, it's like a key to access the OpenAI code. So what you need, I'll share this code with you, but what you need is this, something that looks like this. So you can find lots of basic examples, and this is one of them. So basically at the top, you import OpenAI. So you have to import that into your Python program. Then what you're doing there is the API key that you generated over here, you need to put that into your code. One point though on that is your API key will only be shown once because it's like a security feature. So you have to make sure that the API key, you copy it and save it somewhere. So once you've done that, you can copy and paste it into this file. Also, just make sure that if you're saving this code on something like a public GitHub account, that it's not exposed to anybody because they can take your key. And that's the same when you're using any API key. So just make sure you're being safe there. So then you copy and paste your code, your API key into your code there. And then basically this is like a simple function that will make a call to the OpenAI. So what you can do is use these things called prompts, and prompts are like the questions that you can ask OpenAI. You can find lots of different examples online how to do this, like in a more advanced way. But a basic prompt would be just asking a question like you would when you're using OpenAI, the chat interface. So you can put a basic question there, and then this generate responses making the call to the OpenAI. This is what it brings back, and then you just print in that response. So if you ran that Python code, it would use your key to connect to the OpenAI, and then basically bring back that response. When you're using the prompts and the responses, a lot of it you can make more advanced code. So this is just a basic example, but you can automate a lot of things. And this is like how to use AI. So hopefully that's useful. And you can start using OpenAI to create a lot more advanced things. Okay.